7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at ZCash. ZCash is currently trading for $53. In the last 1 month, ZCash has gone as high as $95 and as low as $51. ZCash is currently ranked number 50 on coin market cap. It has a market capitalization of $785 million. We currently have only 70% of all the maximum supply of ZCash in circulation, which represents 14 million out of 21 million possible ZCash. This is ZCash US dollar price chart from 2017 to 2022. Is the ZCash dump over? When we have a relief rally, how high will ZCash pump? We'll also be looking at the ZCash Bitcoin price chart, ZCash Ethereum price chart, and then we'll take a look at the ZCash market cap chart. How low can the market valuation of ZCash dump during the bear market? We'll also take a look at ZCash previous performance in the previous bear market. Let's try to extrapolate what ZCash should do in this bear market by what it has done in the previous bear market. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, ZCash has a trading volume in the last 24 hours of $40 million, and ZCash is trading for $53.30. And right now, ZCash has been dumping. The high ZCash set in 2021 was around $375. ZCash has dumped more than 85% from that high. The all-time high for ZCash is around $982, and it set that all-time high in January 2018. Since then, ZCash has not been able to set a new all-time high. It has dumped as low as $22 during the bear market, but right now ZCash is trading for $52. Should we be getting more ZCash? How high will ZCash actually pump? A relief rally is actually on the books, and you can see that in the previous bear market as we are dumping, at some point in time we had a relief rally before we continue on the final leg of the dump. I expect us to have a relief rally, and that will carry us probably above $100 for ZCash before we have the final leg of the dump. So how low can ZCash go during this bear market? In the previous bear market, how low did ZCash go? From the top of ZCash right here on $982 that happened on the 7th of January 2018, ZCash dumped more than 97%. At the depth of the bear market, the bottom of ZCash came in on the 16th of March 2020. ZCash was down 97.66% from its all-time high in approximately 800 days. So it took ZCash more than 800 days to actually find its bottom. But after ZCash did that, what happened? It went on a crazy bull run. In just 426 days, ZCash went up 1,485%. That's more than 14x return on investment. If you invested $1,000 in ZCash in March 2020, you would have been able to cash out more than $14,000 at the top that ZCash got to in 2021. So guys, we need to look at the past history of ZCash to know how ZCash behaved in the previous bear market. And this bear market, ZCash is only down 85% from its all-time high. If ZCash should come down to at least, let's say 90% from its all-time high, we'll see ZCash going to unknown territory. The last time ZCash was this cheap was in 2017, and that was a good buying opportunity for ZCash. All the guys that bought ZCash right here had madman return on their investment, and in just how many days? 309 days, ZCash returned more than 1,700% for them. And the other guys that got ZCash around this region, this was in August 2019 to March 2020. It was another buying period for ZCash. All the guys that bought ZCash in this region got more than 1,000% return on their investment. Right now, guys, ZCash is around that region again. Is this a good accumulation point? I would think so, but we're looking at Bitcoin to show us the way. And if ZCash actually is going to drop another maybe 20-30%, I think we're closer to the bottom than we are to the top. ZCash dropping another 30%, we see ZCash dropping to around that $36, and that's still in the realms of possibility of the previous bear market. The first bear market that ZCash had, even though it was a mini bear market, on January 2017, you can see that ZCash came back to this accumulation region. And even in March 2020, when ZCash came back to find its low, ZCash came back to that region. Are we going to test that low before we get the relief bounce, or are we even going to get the bounce before we come back to test that low? Because right now ZCash is at the critical support, and this support has been a very critical support for ZCash. ZCash has been interacting with this support, and from when the first dump happened for ZCash interacted with this level before ZCash pumped into new highs, and it had to consolidate around this level. When ZCash was dumping, it got to this level, and guess what? It actually bounced before it finally came and pierced through, and this level was the level ZCash was trying to stay above. When ZCash finally found a way to stay above this level, what happened? ZCash went on to get to as high as $300 $270. Right now, ZCash is on that level. I won't be surprised to see ZCash range in this level for weeks on end before we finally pump, and then we don't below the level. Only time will tell if I'm right. Guys, let's take a look at ZCash performance against Bitcoin. Now, ZCash has been losing value against Bitcoin for a very, very long time. Since when the top of ZCash against Bitcoin came in 15th June 2017, ZCash has lost more than 99% of its value against Bitcoin. Now, the bottom of ZCash against Bitcoin came in January 2021. After that, ZCash tried to start gaining value against Bitcoin. ZCash went as high as gaining more than 300% against Bitcoin, but that was not enough. After that, ZCash started setting lower lows and lower highs. So right now, ZCash is in very, very critical level. You can see that after the bottom of ZCash came in right here, and let me zoom in so that we can see it very well. After the bottom of ZCash came in right there, what did ZCash do? We're waiting for ZCash to take out this high. If ZCash had come and taken out this high, yes, we'll be bullish on the ZCash Bitcoin price chart, but ZCash couldn't set a new high that from where it set in August 2020. So ZCash set a new low right here, which was not good. Yes, we did not set a new lower low right here, but we couldn't set another new higher high. This was another new lower low. This was another higher high, not a lower low. So very, very confusing right now, under lower low. So ZCash is in this weird spot right now where we are reaching a decision time. Either ZCash will dump to the downside against Bitcoin, or you see ZCash pumping to the upside against Bitcoin. And if ZCash is pumping to the upside against Bitcoin, guys, that means we're going for alt season. Will alt season happen anytime soon? I don't know. And the macro conditions doesn't look favorable for alt season happening anytime soon. Bitcoin is still struggling to hold $20,000. All the answers lie with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can show us the way, we'll have a lot of clarity on a lot of these altcoins, ZCash included. Now, if we take a look at the ZCash Ethereum price chart, the same thing with the ZCash Bitcoin price chart. ZCash has been losing value against Ethereum since when it was launched in 2017. As a matter of fact, ZCash has lost more than 99% of its value since when it was launched against Ethereum. It has lost more than 99.9% of its value against Ethereum. A lot of people are down bad. They are holding ZCash against Ethereum. When ZCash was launched, it was trading for one ZCash for 451 Ethereums. Right now, you can get one ZCash for 0.05 Ethereums. Crazy. And the bottom of ZCash against Ethereum came in right here in November 2021. Ethereum was just constantly gaining value against ZCash. It couldn't here. Be careful. If it thought it had its bottom here on January 2020, entering 2021, but ZCash went on to set a new low against Ethereum, and that new low came in on the 16th of October 2021. This was when Ethereum was around 4,800, and ZCash was just trading for around $250. In the last 1 month or so, and since then, since October 2021, ZCash has actually been outperforming Ethereum, is up more than 52% against Ethereum. Will this trend continue? Only time will tell, but in the depths of the bear market, we want to see ZCash actually hold these levels against Ethereum, because if the ZCash US dollar price chart is pumping, we want to see ZCash outperforming Ethereum, because if ZCash is pumping the same pace with Ethereum, and you will not see any huge difference on the ZCash Ethereum price chart. And let's take a look at the ZCash market cap chart, and the height of ZCash market cap came here on the 13th of May 2021. That was a new all-time high. On the price chart, we did not set a new all-time high. You can see that we just got to as high as $375. The all-time high was around $972. But on the market cap chart, we set a new all-time high. Why did that happen, guys? Because we had more ZCash coming to circulation. In 2017, we didn't have up to 70% of all the ZCash in circulation. But right now, we have more than 60%. We have 70% of all ZCash will ever be mined. We have 70% of it in circulation. That's why you see the market cap actually increase, even though the price chart did not increase. And how high did the market cap get to at the top of the bull run? The ZCash market cap got to as high as $4.3 billion. From where we are right now, guys, we have to see ZCash pump, and maybe a 400, maybe a 500% we'll see ZCash pump to get to a new all-time high. ZCash has to pump more than a 500%. How low can ZCash market cap go? Because right now we're at a very, very critical level. You can see that price has interacted with this level a lot of times on the ZCash market cap chart. You can see that price has interacted with this level on the ZCash market cap chart a lot of times. We were rejected by this level, which was in July 2018. We couldn't get above here during the COVID sell-off, and before we pump into new highs, what happened? We had to consolidate around this region. Right now, we're in that same region, around the $784 million region for the ZCash market valuations. Are we going to dump lower? If we're going to dump lower, guys, the next level I'll be really targeting that might act as a critical support might be this $500 million region. If ZCash is going to dump that level, we have to see ZCash dump another maybe 20-30%. Only time will tell you if that will happen. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, at what price do you think ZCash will pump to? Is it really going to even come, or are we just going to continue dumping to Goblin Town? Is the bottom in? If the bottom is in, are you going to be buying some ZCash through the bear market? Are you going to be selling your stash, or are you going to be holding through the chaos? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. I want to hear what you think about that. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.